Hi, there are two ways how you can add app back to home screen on iPhone 16e. The first one is you need to swipe left till the end to see app library. And now just tap on folder in which you wanna add any app to home screen. For example, let's add Instagram. For that, I'm gonna press and hold it. And now we can use this option add to home screen. Or we can press and hold it and manually drag it to home screen like that and leave on any position you want to, or hold it again and move to the next page. Then don't forget to tap done to confirm. And another way is with the help of Spotlight search. So swipe down from the top and here enter name of app you wanna add. So now press and hold it, and again you need to drag it to home screen like this and tap done. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.